Beautiful, magical rainbow colors. I am so in love with today's painting. The colors are vibrant, and of course, I'm loving those beautiful pearl cells. The edges are nice and clean. Guys, check out today's painting. It's beautiful. You're gonna love it. Hello everyone, it's Camille. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today guys, I'm doing a pearl cell and I'll be also adding some rainbow colors. So first, I'm just doing the pearl cells. So guys, just enjoy today's video. If you're new to my channel, I just want to say welcome. And if you do enjoy today's video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and of course share and comment is all welcome. And all for my returning viewers, I want to say welcome back, and I'm so happy that you guys are able to tune in. Alright, so I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and of course enjoy the rest of the show. Stay tuned for the close-up of the wet result and the dried result. Don't go away. Here is a close-up of the wet result. I had so much fun doing this piece. You know, using the spoon to swipe the rainbow colors. Oh my goodness, it was just so magical. It's beautiful. The colors are amazing. And I use mainly metallics, and it's just beautiful, guys. Let me know in the comment section what you guys have to say about this one. I do hope you guys love it. And I'm just loving the details where I use the skewer to create some beautiful design. It's just beautiful, guys. I am really in love with this one. I just love the colors. I could keep going on and on and on about the colors and all that. It's just a cheerful painting, and I do hope you guys feel the same. Stay tuned for the close-up of the dried result. And here it is, all dried. I am loving it. It dried well. No varnish on it as yet, and the colors remain just as vibrant. So beautiful. Wow. I do hope you guys feel the same about this painting. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys have to say about this one. And of course, give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Check out my playlist, guys, and I will see you next time on Camille Amoy Art. Bye.